Hi, YouTubers. Excuse me. Asthma issues. Don't worry about me. I'm good. Listen, I told you guys the last time we talked that I was going to share some videos with you about gardening and crocheting. So I'm going to get into that right now. I know it's been a minute, but see, what had happened was I've always wanted to say that. But really, what had happened was I had an update on my laptop and it wouldn't let me see it in my videos. Go figure. Gotta love technology. But guess what? Everything's good now, so I'm fixing to show you some videos. What I'm going to show you now, because I wanted to introduce you to gardening, I'm just going to show you some of the things that I have grown in my garden. I'm going to probably start with last fall and bring you into the spring later on. But right now, just to show you the love of the things that I want to do. I didn't say that right, did I? Show you the things that I love to do. That was right. So let me show you that now. So let's get right into it.